You gotta back out. You gotta back out and start it. Oh, why? It allow you to put. Yeah, back out and put it again so you can access the game setup. Man, it says searching for a match.
So fuck.
You gotta back
You're gonna
up
create
again.
private match, right?
Yeah. And then wait a second until the game setup is allowed.
There you go. Oh, what?
Ethan.
Right, there you go.
There you go.
Get up.
And then you fix it, you know.
Free for all. No, move. Drink water.
Hmm? Yeah, go here. She first doing that. First doing
How many minutes you put in? 45?
Yeah.
What about the score limit? 50 or 45?
Tiếp cô mà không có gì.
Wait, match start 5 seconds. What about the health? Hardcore,
22.
Yep.
Yeah. Cô mà có gì có em.
Cầu yên hả?
Mà em là cái tao còn này.
Alright. I remember, man, I still remember how to fix this, man. It's still easy.
Yeah, it's the same shit.
Yeah, it's the same shit. I don't know why Kenshi Former say it's different. What the? You just don't know how to read.
Nah.
No, for real, bro. No cap, bro.
Yeah.
Bro don't even know how to read. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. I don't know why you say that too. Oh my god, bro. Like, oh, wait. I was using a Warzone sensitivity. I was using 2.75.
That's why you slow.
You better watch out now. Different hero right now. Look at it.
Oh man.
Different hero, bro. Excuse me. Get up, nigga.
Hey, why did I crouch? What the fuck?
I don't know what enemy you at. Frustration.
What the fuck? Hey, don't stuck in that truck now. Oh man. Tomahawk hit the side of the car, man. And after that, you dead. Ooh, missed again. Hey. Hey. Hold that for me.
Hold that for me. Fuck, I let him do that, bro.
Hold that for me for a second.
Oh my
Don't you see me
god.
doing something?
Hell no. No!
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You better hide on that car, nigga.
Hey yo. Hey yo. Hold that for me.
You wanna trade that?
Payback is a bitch. Hey yo.
You wanna trade that? No, bro.
Me.
Why did I stuck on you, bro? That's fucked up. No, you ain't gonna do that.
Oh, what?
Just go roll
shit.
bangy bang. Oh, that's dirty, bro.
Hey. Hey. Oh, what?
Oh!
Where you going?
Dang, I thought you were in the other side.
Where are you going? I'm right behind you, boy. Hold that for me. Hey. Reload, reload.
No
hey.
way, bro.
Ooh.
Oh, I missed that motherfucker.
Ooh.
You better come back.
Ooh.
Hello.
Ooh. 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 Hey, I ain't got no
way,
tomahawk.
bro.
What the hell?
What the fuck? Ain't no
Where
way,
you going?
nigga. Better get up. Oh,
Where you going?
did I really slow on that?
Where you going? You got me turned up, man.
Are you sure?
Hey! Damn! Oi! 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 Ooh! Oi! Oi!
No
Hey.
way!
Ooh! 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 Oh! Oh man, that ADS took a little second. That's how you feel? That's how you feel? Don't run now. Don't run now. Don't run now.
No!
Don't run now.
My
Don't run now. Don't run now, son.
No way,
Don't
bro.
run now.
I don't know how to jump and
Don't
shoot.
run now.
Talking about run, nigga.
Oh!
What? What about my ex?
Hit
Where
you
the
with
fuck
that
is
no
it?
scoop. Hit you with that no scoop. Oh, you trying to sneak up on me? Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, what? No. That's bullshit, man. My screen, you're in front of me. What the fuck was that? Stop doing all that slip and slide, boy. You ain't about that. You ain't about that slip and slide, boy. What are you doing over there? Ooh, that was dirty, boy.
No
Ooh.
way. Yeah, 1 point lead. 1 point
Let me
lead.
see you coming over here, boy. Come on, now. Stop playing with me, now. Oh, what?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you
better
slide
watch
under my
out.
bullet. Damn. Oh, what? No scope. Oh, lucky
You
that
better
one
call
missed.
it.
Oh, I'm right here. I'm right here. Hold that
Hey!
for me. Hey, yo, chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out.
Oh my God!
Nice, that was a good one.
No way, I keep doing that dead trap.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Trying to get something, bro. Don't distract me.
Gotta save your bullets.
Man, I got hella bullets for your ass, boy. Where you at? I got one in the chamber right now. There you are. Hey, why did I swap my... Man, you're lucky I don't want to kill you with that pistol, man. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see you now. Oh, I see you now.
Better see me, nigga.
Oh, I see you now.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you now.
Why did I run over there?
With that
bro?
jump shot, boy.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
Oh, I see you now. Hold that
What
for me.
the?
Yep, yep. Ooh.
You better chill out.
Ooh. Ooh.
But did you see the way I kill you?
That was nice. Hold that for me. Ooh.
I don't know, dude. Shit.
No scope. Boom. Do that. No scope. Ooh. Hit you with that no scope. Hit you with that no scope. No scope. Oh, what? Bro, that's bullshit, man. Something wrong with this game, man. I'm right behind you. Where are you going? Right. What? Oh, what?
No way I missed that, bro.
Oh, whoa. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Headshot! Headshot, bro.
Man, that was nice. That was nice. I ain't gonna cap. That was nice.
No, bro.
That
I ran
was
out of ammo.
nice.
It's okay, I ran out of ammo, nigga. You better save your bullets.
Hey, yo. Alright, it's comeback season. Comeback season. Oh, you lucky. Back season, boy. Comeback season, boy. Don't get scared now. Comeback season.
No, I'm trying to reload.
Comeback season, boy. Don't get scared now. Hold that.
What the fuck, bro?
Comeback season, boy.
Nigga talking about comeback season.
Comeback season, boy.
I ain't gonna come back for nothing.
Comeback season. Hey!
I'm coming back for
My
nothing.
lead, man. Fuck.
I'm going back for nothing.
Oh hell no, I'm coming back, man. Damn. You at, gang? Stop sneaking around behind me. Hey, hold that for me. Hey. 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 Comeback season, baby.
Comeback, comeback,
whoa.
baby.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Careful, I'm coming, man.
Nice.
Careful, man. Careful, man. I'm coming real quick. Couple more kills and I'm gonna catch up.
I catch you. Oh my God!
What?
Eat Mark is crazy.
Stop sneaking around. Stop sneaking around. Stop it. Stop it. Enough is enough. What are you doing over there? I see you sneaking around. Enough is enough, buddy. It gonna stop today. Hold that for me. Hey! Still right here, son.
What the fuck? That's scam, bro. I missed that fucking shot. He's crazy.
Hey, yo. How am I missing all the shots? What the fuck? I'm lagging now? Bullshit.
No, you ain't lagging, nigga. This is your lobby, bro.
Nah, I'm lagging, bro. Lagging real hard.
What?
Hey, shit.
Look at
Fuck,
that.
man, I'm lagging real hard, bro, for real. No cap, bro. Real hard.
No!
Watch, right? It turned it. It's kind of better now.
What
Watch. It's kind of better now. Watch.
No.
Because right now it's kind of moving good.
Yeah, right.
Watch, because it's working pretty good now.
Are you sure?
Watch. Oh, man, I'm already catching up, man. 32, 35. Hell yeah, son. I see you. Stop sneaking around.
What? That's a aimbot.
Stop sneaking around, boy.
No.
Stop sneaking around. I'm catching up, bro. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Stop sneaking around.
No way, bro.
Oh, I see you. Now we're tied up, man.
Man, what kind of gun you use, bro? That's the same gun.
Yep.
No, he's skating faster, nigga. I know what gun you use, nigga. I know you switch your gun, nigga. Oh my God!
How did I miss all my shots, bro? What the heck is going on? Am I lagging again?
Yeah, right. Talking about lagging.
Hey. Oh, I know where you at. Oh, I know. When I say I know. What the hell? Sit down.
Get out of my X, bro. You covering my X.
Sit down.
You ain't gonna do that.
What? I see you.
I see you too, nigga.
Okay. What you doing all down there?
I don't know.
Bro. Nah, something wrong, bro. Sit down. Sit down. What?
I'm sorry, bro.
Alright, I'm coming back again. I played too much. I was playing too much, bro. Oh, I missed that! How did I miss that? Bro. What? Why are you laying over there looking at me?
Bro, I was diving.
Oh! Oh, oh, I need to come back. Doing over there? Shit. Hell no. Where you going? Where you going? Where you fucking going? Don't run now. Hey.
Talking about
What?
around him, nigga.
What? What? Hold that for me, man. Bro, why am I missing my shot so bad, bro?
Nah, I do not know, sir. Oh, there's my hex. I need my hex. There it is.
What? What? Nah. That's bullshit, man.
What are we playing for, bro? I'll see you, nigga.
Oh, what?
No, you thought I was blind? See you, nigga.
No. Oh. Oh.
Yo, what?
Man.
Yo, that's 11 points, bro.
Man, that's the thing though. You beat me by
switch
camping,
your gun.
man.
Yo, you switch your gun, nigga. Shut the hell up. Look at this gun, bro. That's the easiest one. Nigga cheating, bro.
Ah, shit, man. Fuck this shit.
Remember, I'm using this gun to beat you.
Okay. Ooh. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice, good shit. Hey, watch the. Where's done? All right.
Alright, you're gonna come clean now? You gonna use that gun? You gonna use that?
Yep.
Alright.
Now I'm using the real gun. Not the joke.
Alright. You better not pull up that stupid ass gun again. I see you on top, nigga. What you doing? Sit down, first blood, 360 slide. Nigga, I see you. Nigga. Try to do up there, bro. No! You see me looking for you? Don't do that to me, bro. You didn't learn it? You better keep shooting. Damn, give him the top. No! I was trying to crack my shit.
Around. What the hell, man? Miss all those shots?
Oh, what? Nah, that's impossible.
Stop
You miss all
camping
those
behind
shots.
objects. Stop
Oh,
camping
yeah?
behind objects.
Alright,
Sit
you're
down.
right. You want me to pull up on you?
Stop hiding behind objects.
You can play
Stop
like a
hiding
restaurant, man.
behind objects. I'm in the wide open, son.
Are you sure?
I'm in the wide open, where I can slip and slide. I just wanna your body. Hey yo, what you doing over there, man? What? Ooh!
You missed that though. How did I miss that
What
slow
the hell
ass
was
shot?
that stupid move you're doing, bro? Slided 360. What the fuck was that, man?
Hey, I'm getting better at it. Look at it. You cannot even stop it.
Yeah.
No! What the fuck? It is really bad to you, bro.
Now you get used to spinning around. Now you cannot stop spinning.
I cannot stop, yeah.
Hey, 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 hey. Let me see your move again. Spin
No.
around.
Yeah, I gotta stop that.
Hey, come here and do that move again. Now you don't want to
Oh, I just sliding.
spin. Let me try that 360 spin.
No, you can't. You
Man,
can't.
see, it get me killed, man. I
I'm
don't
the
have
only
time
one to do
to
it.
ADS. Where you hiding at?
Nigga just stand there,
You
dude.
doing all that slip and slide and shit?
Thank you.
What?
What the fuck? I was targeting the whole time. Oh my god. No! I was late. No! Don't let me win, bro. You better not let me win this shit. Oh, he was waiting. Yeah, he was waiting for me, don't you?
You see that move right there?
Now watch. I know how to heal that. I know how to heal that. Yeah, don't be hiding back there, bro.
Now you hiding, bro. What the hell, bro?
Nigga, you stand there and wait for me to spawn, bro.
Man, I stand there in the open and wait for you because I'm tired of looking for you, man.
No, you better hide, man.
Hey.
I'm a hex, you watch.
Alright, X me. X me out. Ask
There you
me
go.
out. Oh, why did I
Damn.
stand still? What the heck? Looking for your next hiding spot? Hey.
Hiding spot, nigga. I'll kill you right here.
Ooh.
Headshot.
Oh, man, the chamber took too long. Fuck.
You better chill out, nigga.
Man, your dead bodies laying around always got me mixed up, man, with that glowing little
You're
wing.
right.
Oh, hold on. I'm missing something on my loadout. See, no wonder why. No wonder why I couldn't hear your footsteps. You're using ninja. Damn.
Yeah, right.
You hear me everywhere. You hear me everywhere and I cannot hear you. No wonder why. Alright, let's see this. I bet. Let's do this.
Alright.
You already know where I'm at. Alright, let's do this.
I'm gonna mess you up again, nigga. I'm gonna mess you up again, nigga.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Where you hiding at now? Man, we're not hiding. We're not doing hide and seek, bro.
What the fuck's this sniper, nigga? Find you, nigga.
Bruh, I'm tired of looking for you. You keep killing me, gang.
This is not art scope, bro. Come on, man. This is a quick scope. It's already challenged already, man. Do you want me to tell you where I'm at, bro?
Oh, I'm just standing over here waiting for you to pop out.
No, don't do that. That's why you die. No! Watch me come and kill you right on your face. Where are you standing right now? Still easy if I got straight to you, bro. I wasn't ready
Waiting
for
me
that.
on that side? Are you waiting for me on that side? I'm sorry, I'm on the other side.
Alright. Oh my god!
Why did I miss? Man, why did I miss? Damn! All I hear is tomahawk, but I don't see nobody. What the fuck?
Cause I'm a ninja, nigga.
Oh, missed my tomahawk.
What? No way you unscoped me over there, nigga. Nigga do that to me, bro. What the fuck? It's alright, it's alright.
Hey, yo. Fucking mannequins always make me fucking mixed up, man. Ah, bruh. That is not cool, bro.
Nigga, you better not. You can win the match, nigga. I finished you already, nigga. Nah, you gotta get your back. You gotta get your shit back, bro.
Fuck that kid back.
Nah, you try to get it.
Freaking lucky, man.
You funny as fuck, bro. Come on, shoot me, bro. I'm taking my axe. Yes! Why did he
jump
throw?
Right in front of this gun.
You cannot
jump
throw?
Right in front of this gun.
Why you do that, Artscope, nigga? Why you do that?
Hey!
I almost finished you again, nigga. Oh, let me get my figure. What? 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 That's fucked up. 3 shot, it's on his body and his knees. Don't do that, nigga,
Hey,
please.
what?
No, I ain't going nowhere.
What? Bro, I missed all the shots.
I mean, shit. It's...
What?
Why you stand there though? Why you stand there though? Nigga just stand there, bro. No!
Where you going? Where you going?
Alright, I gotta win the match. I gotta win the match.
I won't get that match. I won't get my lick back.
Alright, that's what's up.
Here, I already got my lick back.
No, you waiting? Yo, I miss all that fucking... Oh my god! Are you gonna win the match, dude? I don't think so. What the fuck is this, bro? You could try to do good.
Man, you lucky I ain't got no axe, man.
Oh!
Where you going?
Where you hiding at? Nigga, I see you. You trying to come straight at me, don't you? Yo, what about my ex?
Where you going? Where you going?
No way.
Where you
Ain't
going?
no way. Alright, 2-point lead. 2-point lead. I take that. Where you going, girl? Yeah, where did you throw your axe to?
What do you think you're doing? Hard scoping me?
Bro, I was just watching to see if you watch me. But you didn't, and then you come back and you
Of
saw
course you're
me.
better than me, bro. You better than me from hiding and camouflaging and shit, bro.
Yo, bro, what you...
I don't play like that. That's why you better than me. What you talking about, boy? What?
Yo, why you thinking like
man.
that, bro?
Damn, I just saw that diamond shining bright over there. Damn.
You're right.
Yerp.
What?
Yerp.
That's fucked up. You jumped right in front of my fucking ass.
Yerp.
Thank you. Missed the game is crazy, like. I need my ex. I want to kill you.
Back, boy.
Oh my god.
Right back, boy.
You had to chill out, nigga.
Oh my god.
That's a headshot, bro. That's a headshot.
Ooh.
Hey, watch out, I'm not a newbie, bro. My spawn screen rate is crazy. Don't do that to me. Why are you hiding back there? There's my fucking knife, bro. There you go.
Bro, I cannot. I don't know how to pick up my axe again.
Pretty hard. Where are you, bro? No, that's a quick quick shot. Don't do that again. Alright, you learn it. Oh, he didn't learn, bro. He still go there, but late. No, you learn it, bro. You kind of avoid it, so. No! Alright, let me start shooting this nigga. What? Yeah, you wait for me on that. Fuck. What are you trying to do,
Oh,
bro?
I ain't got no axe. What the fuck? When I slide over to throw axe and I ain't got none, man.
No, you scared. I'm dumb. I ain't gonna hurt you. You take my cover, bro. Get the hell out of my area. I'll say don't do that. You didn't learn it? That's why you did that. That's why you did that, okay? That's why you did that. What?
Oh, man. My bad, bro. You shocked me, man.
Nigga said I shocked you, bro.
Nah, for real, you came out of nowhere. Ah! Bro, what the fuck, man?
I'm sorry, bro. I was right there with you, bro. You know?
Bro.
Watch out. There's some changes. There's some changes.
If this is speed 12, man. Ooh, I hate these maps that have too much object, man.
That's right.